Yo, what's happening? Welcome back to some more gaming in the van. Ah, friggin' mosquito.
Saw, dude, you got a bug problem?
Yeah, they're friggin' horrible.
Here, try this Thermacell. They work great.
Alright. Thanks, dude.
Yeah, no problem.
Welcome to Thermacell Review. Thermacell Review! So now that I've had a couple opportunities to use this thing, I wanted to talk a little bit about how it works and how well it works. So let's get right into it. So it's pretty simple. I've got one in there already. That's one of these packages of the, what is it? Decis-trans-alethrin. Don't know what it is, but that is what keeps the mosquitoes away, so I got one of those in there right now. The only other thing you have is this little butane container. Real easy. It just screws into the bottom, like so, and then you give it a twist, and you'll hear it ignite, and then you're just looking in that hole to see the pilot light. It may take a couple tries. Alright, so I think I got it lit. It's real hard to see in there. I don't know if you'll even be able to see it on camera. So the real nice thing about this thing is there's really not any like smell to it. Not any that I've noticed. Maybe other people will, maybe their nose is better. Yeah, it works super well. As soon as you light this thing up, mosquitoes, gonzo. You may occasionally see a little like poof of smoke come off of there, but that's about it. That's all I've ever seen. I've never had any odor from it really. A bird almost just flew into my van. Yeah, I mean, there's really not much to say other than it works. It keeps the mosquitoes away. I'd say 5 out of 5 on the Thermacell. Definitely would recommend it. Really easy to use. Like I said, no smell. I think this thing is going to come in super handy here in the van. I like to keep the door open, but I don't like mosquitoes getting into my van. So, yeah, this thing is going to be a great tool when I'm out there on the road camping, wherever I'm at, whatever I'm doing. I'll be using this thing. So, yeah, there it is. So there you have it. Thermacell Review. Thermacell Review. Psst. Hey, you forgot to tell them. Like the video if they like. So, subscribe to the channel if you want to see any future videos, any future content.